Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to organize your meeting agendas and minutes in Notion, your ultimate productivity tool for 2025. First up, let's create a new page in Notion for your meeting. Click on the plus new page button on the left sidebar. Name it something relevant like team meetings. This is where we're going to store all our meeting agendas and minutes. The reason we do this is to keep everything in one place, making it easier to access and review later. Now that we've done that, let's create a template for our agenda. To do this, click on the Templates button at the top right corner of your new page. Choose New Template and start building your agenda layout. This helps us because we're simplifying our future agenda creation process, enabling us to focus on meeting content rather than formatting. Next up, we'll add a table to keep track of our meeting minutes. Click on the // button, scroll down to Database, and select Table. Here, you can add columns for topics, discussion, action items, and assign to. This is crucial as it helps you to easily capture the essence of your meetings and assign tasks efficiently. Now that we've set up our table, let's automate our note-taking process. Notion allows you to create templates for your table entries. Click on the Templates button in your table and create a new one. You can add text blocks for discussion and action items to streamline your note-taking process. Let me explain why this matters. It ensures consistency in your minutes and saves you time during the meeting. Last but not least, we'll add a calendar view to our page. Go back to your team meetings page, click on the /, scroll down to Database, and select Calendar. Sync it with your table so that every new entry in your table automatically creates a new event on your calendar. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of your meetings, making it easier to plan and organize. And there you have it. You're now equipped to efficiently organize your meeting agendas and minutes in Notion. Keep practicing, refine your templates, and watch your productivity soar. Until next time, keep organizing and stay productive.